Welcome back to Colorado channel. We're excited to announce that new live series is about to begin. Please remember the time that every week on Wednesday and Friday at 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. Western America time. We will be there to meet you. In the short live broadcast, we're going to go over our seamless digital items with our printer to show you how these printers are working and the tips of how to use it. And also we'll show you that how to print out the personalized seamless digital items like socks, sleeve covers, buff scarves, beanies, and yoga suits in practice. Welcome you to leave any questions there in the comment area in advance, and we'll try to reply you during the live broadcast. Please be sure to follow us and also watch the live broadcast. Let's explore the wonderful world of the seamless digital world with you. See you there.